Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to study computer engineering. Begin by building a strong foundation in mathematics, especially calculus and linear algebra, along with physics. These subjects are crucial for understanding electrical circuits and algorithms. Next, dive into programming, focusing on languages like C++ and Python, which are fundamental for software and hardware interaction. Finally, grasp digital logic and circuit design to comprehend how computers process information. Once you have the basics, delve into data structures and algorithms. They are essential for writing efficient and optimized code. Simultaneously, get hands-on with microcontrollers and embedded systems, perhaps using platforms like Arduino or Raspberry Pi. Building small projects will solidify your understanding of how hardware and software integrate. This practical application is key to truly mastering computer engineering concepts. As you progress, explore advanced topics like operating systems and computer architecture to understand how computers function at a deeper level. Consider specializing in areas that interest you, such as artificial intelligence, machine learning, or cybersecurity. Participating in group projects will also hone your collaborative and problem-solving abilities, preparing you for real-world engineering challenges. To prepare for your career, actively seek internships. They provide invaluable real-world experience and networking opportunities. Attend industry events and connect with professionals to learn about emerging trends and potential job openings. Remember, continuous learning is vital in this rapidly evolving field. Also, for a great resource on financial wisdom, check the description for a link to a book that can truly change how you think about money, along with other deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.